In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stunning travel and tours website using a WP travel engine. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you create a visually appealing and highly functional website. Let's dive right in. First, begin by integrating the WP travel engine. This all-in-one travel engine plugin is specially designed for tour operators and agencies. It's essential for managing travel itineraries, bookings, and destinations. With WP Travel Engine, you can efficiently handle everything from trip bookings to payments. Next, you'll need to set up a WordPress site. You'll want to choose a reliable web host that supports WordPress installations such as WP Engine, which is well suited for this task. Head to your hosting dashboard and create a new WordPress site. Follow the prompts and allow the installation process to complete. Once that's done, your website will be ready for the next steps. Now that you have WordPress set up, it's time to install the WP Travel Engine plugin. Navigate to the plugins section in your WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Add New, search for WP Travel Engine, install it, and then activate it. This plugin will provide you with all the essential tools you need to manage your travel website effectively. With the plugin ready to go, it's time to choose a travel theme. Go to the Appearance section, then Themes, and click Add New. You can select themes specifically compatible with WP Travel Engine, like Travel Muni or Zeta Travel. These themes are designed to showcase your trips beautifully and provide a seamless user experience for your visitors. Once you've selected your theme, it's time to start creating trips. Head to the Trips section and click on Add New. Here, you can fill in all the necessary details, such as the trip title, price, itinerary, and images. Once you've completed these fields, hit Publish to make your first trip live on your site. In addition to trips, you can also add destinations and activities. Simply go to Trips, then Destinations and Activities to add new entries, providing a comprehensive list of everything your travel site has to offer. Adding these elements will enhance your visitors' experience and help book more trips. Next, set up your booking options. Navigate to WP Travel Engine's Settings, then Payments, and enable your preferred payment gateways like PayPal. This setup ensures your site can handle transactions securely and efficiently. Now let's turn our attention to designing your homepage. You can add sections such as trips, destinations, and testimonials using blocks or a page builder like Elementor. Once you're happy with your design, create a new page titled Home, which will serve as your site's homepage. Finally, fine-tune the styling by going to Appearance, then Customize, and tweak the colors and typography to match your brand's identity. To ensure your booking process works smoothly, visit your site, select a trip, and go through the entire booking process to check everything functions as expected. By following these steps, you have successfully built and customized your travel and tours website using WP Travel Engine. Enjoy the robust features of this comprehensive platform and start showcasing your travel experiences to the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.